So for today's video, we'll do a tutorial on how to fold and insert a formal letter into an envelope. So the first step is we are going to do this A4 bond paper. Make sure that it can fold it, because if you accidentally fold it and not even the edges, it can have a double crease if you do it again, and it can look dirty or informal on the letter. Hold it slightly, and if the A4 is even to the edges, now fold the A4 using your thumbnail. Hold it slightly, and if the A4 is even to the edges, now fold it A4 using your thumbnail. Make sure that there is no air can enter, so it can be inserted into envelope directly. Now hold this letter using your thumb and make sure that watch it clearly to understand how to do it and how to insert a letter into the envelope. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that understand clearly and have learned from this video.